Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from Kraken to Kucoin in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Kraken and want to move it over to Kucoin for trading or staking, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your assets like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Kucoin. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms if you haven't already, as security is key in the crypto world. Also, double-check that you have XDC in your Kraken wallet and know your Kucoin deposit address. Always use the exact address to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Funding, section. Look for the Withdrawal option. It's usually under a tab like Withdraw or Transfer Out. Select XDC from the list of assets. Kraken might ask you to confirm your withdrawal settings, so take a moment to review any fees or limits. In 2025, expect potential updates to network fees, so keep an eye on the estimated costs. Next, enter the wallet address from your Kucoin account. Make sure you're using the correct network for XDC. It's typically the XDC network, but always verify on Kucoin's deposit page to match networks and prevent lost funds. Input the amount you want to withdraw, double-check everything, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. Once you've initiated the withdrawal, Kraken will process it, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, jump over to your Kucoin account and keep an eye on the deposit section. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick word of advice. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly, and never share your private keys or recovery phrases. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so stay updated with exchange announcements. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.